I'm reviewing YC companies. The first company I'll be reviewing is basically reviewing the product. If they have access, if they give me access or not to their product. All right, so this company is Galpo. Yeah, I wonder how they got their name. Galpo, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Galpo AI. It turns videos into documents and prompts. So I made whiteboard explainer videos, something which would take hours, I remember, back in the day. Founders are Shreyas and Shaman, both Stanford graduates, kids these days. Yeah, let's see. All I care about if they have a workable demo or not. And I quickly went to the website.
Ever felt like you need a Wall Street badge just to understand your own investments? You're drowning in jargon, scrambling between half-baked spreadsheets and analyst reports that might as well be in another language. That exact frustration is where this story begins. It started with one sleepless night, a founder watching his carefully researched portfolio swing wildly, wishing for an ally. Not just another app, but a virtual partner that could translate raw financial data into genuine human insight. That moment of inspiration became a mission to democratize investing for everyone. Invest for Returns was born to bridge the gap between Wall Street sophistication and Main Street accessibility. It uses advanced AI to distill thousands of complex signals into clear, actionable guidance you can actually trust. It's about giving you data-backed buy, hold, or sell insights in plain English. You stay in the driver's seat with customizable alerts and watch lists, putting control back in your hands. This is your chance to join a community of empowered investors, turning frustration into confidence, and finally turning that feeling of what if into I've got this.
Actually, pretty impressive. Jeez, I never expected it to do it this well with audio. So if I have to obviously use this, I have to upgrade. So just everybody is aware what I've done is I just gave a standard prompt which they had right here, and it wanted to generate more of a video to market my product which I made. Again, vibe coded it, added my own typo in here. It's www.investforreturns.com. Again, not investment advice, but more helping you reduce the research you need to do before investing in your own stock for your personal reasons. So all I did was I went to the About Us page of my website, drag content from there, put it in a doc, uploaded it, and it made this video. I'm pretty impressed actually that it made it this well. And good audio and voice as well. So let's look at the pricing. Let's see how much it is. Monthly, can I do a one-off download? Why is one-off down? Okay, so they have 8 credits for $20. So I have to make 8 videos to make use of my one video, I guess. $39.99, $199. Obviously, I'll go for 8 credits till I really know and test it and validate it. I wish I had some free credits to use to download, to be honest, but it is what it is. I think it's decent. I would rate it probably 8 out of 10 just on first use, ease of use, going in and just trying it without editing out and giving like a decent video without much edit. So I'm pretty happy with the output. So good job, guys. Stanford graduates, go Stanford. All right, let's move on to the next tool.